Hi, today this video is from Success Convent, Melachaval, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. Today I am going to read a lesson of 3rd grade, lesson number 1, subject is English, page number 6 and 7. Name of the lesson is Joy in the Jungle. Just I will learn with the spellings. Munu, M-U-N-E, Munu, L-I-V-E-S, leaves, I and in, A, V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village, N-E-A-R, near, T-H-E, the, K-A-Z-I-R-A-N-G-A, Kaziranga, F-O-R-S-T, forest. Munu lives in a village near the Kaziranga forest. V-E-R-Y, very, O-F-T-E-N, often, H-E, he, R-O-A-M-S, roams, A-R-O-U-N-D, around, T-H-E, the, J-U-N-G-L-E, jungle, R-I-D-I-N-G, riding, O-N, on, A-B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo. Very often he roams around the jungle riding on a buffalo. O-N-E, one, D-A-Y, day, one day. H-E, he, F-I-N-D-S, finds, A-H-O-L-L-O-W, hollow, P-I-E-C-E, peace, O-F, off, B-A-M-B-O-O, bamboo. One day he finds a hollow piece of bamboo. H-E, he, L-O-O-K-S, looks, A-T, at, I-T, it. He looks at it. I-T, it, S-E-E-M-S, seems, S-T-R-O-N-G, strong, A-N-D, and, S-T-U-R-D-Y, sturdy. It seems strong and sturdy. H-E, he, P-I-C-K-S, picks, I-T, it, U-P, up. He picks it up. M-U-N-U, Munu, C-O-M-E-S, comes, B-A-C-K, back, H-O-M-E, home. Munu comes back home. H-E, he, H-A-N-D-S, hands, O-V-E-R, over, T-H-E, the, B-A-M-B-O-O, bamboo, P-I-E-C-E, piece. He hands over the bamboo piece. T-O-2, H-I-S, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. He hands over the bamboo piece to his father. P-A-P-A, papa, P-L-E-A-C-E, please, M-A-K-E, make, A, P-I-P-E, pipe, O-U-T, out, O-F, off, I-T, it, F-O or for, M-E, me. Papa, please make a pipe out of it for me. F-A-T-H-E-R, father, M-A-K-E-S, makes, A, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful, P-I-P-E, pipe, F-O for, H-I-M, him. Father makes a beautiful pipe for him. M-U-N-U, Munu, L-E-A-R-N-S, learns, T-O-2, P-L-A-Y, play, T-H-E, the, P-I-P-E, pipe. Munu learns to play the pipe. O-N-E, one, D-A-Y, day, one day. W-H-I-L-E, while, P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing, T-H-E, the, P-I-P-E, pipe, H-E, he, G-E-T-S, gets, A-B-S-O-R-B-E-D, observed, L-I-T-T-L-E, little, R-E-A-L-I-S-I-N-G, realizing, T-H-A-T, that, H-E, he, H-A-S, has, ENTERED entered, THE the, JUNGLE jungle. One day while playing the pipe, he gets observed, little realizing that he has entered the jungle. He PLAYS place, THE the, PIP pipe, TO2, THE the, DELIGHT delight, OF off, BIRDS birds, AND and, ANIMALS animals, INSIDE inside, THE the, JUNGLE jungle. He plays the pipe to the delight of birds and animals inside the jungle. AS MUNU munu, PLAYS place, THE the, PIPE pipe, EVERY every, THING everything, IN in, THE the, JUNGLE jungle, BEGINS begins, TO2 CHANGE change. As Manu plays the pipe, everything in the jungle begins to change. IT it, GETS gets, FILLED filled, WITH with, BEAUTI FUL beautiful, FLOWERS flowers. It gets filled with beautiful flowers. MUNU munu, ISS VERY very, HAPPY happy. Munu is very happy. He THE and then NOTICS notice, RHINO rhino. He then notice a rhino. ROLLING rolling, IN in, THE the, MUD mud. Munu is very happy. He then noticed a rhino rolling in the mud. MUNU munu, GOES goes, ON on, PLAYING playing, HIS is, PIPE pipe. Munu goes on playing his pipe. THE the, RHINO rhino, STARES stairs, AT at, HIM him, WITH with, WET wet, EYES eyes, AS as, IF if, IN in, PAIN pain. The rhino stares at him with wet eyes as if in pain. MUNU munu, COMES comes, BACE back, BACK back, HOME home. Manu comes back home. PAPA papa, KLL all, THE the, BIRDS birds, AND and, ANIMALS animals, IN in, THE the, JUNGLE jungle, WERE where, HAPPY happy, TO2 HEAR here, ME PLAY play, THE the, PIPE pipe. Papa, all the birds and animals in the jungle were happy to hear me play the pipe. BUT but, WHYY, WAS was, THE the, RHINO rhino, SO so, SAD sad. But why was the rhino so sad? SON sun, MAY may, BE maybe, THE the, RHINO rhino, IS is, S-A-D, sad, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because, T-H-E, the, P-O-A-C-H-E-R-R-Y, pochery, C-O-M-E, come, A-N-D, and, K-I-L-L, kill, T-H-E-M, them. Papa, all the birds and animals in the jungle were happy to hear me play the pipe. But why was the rhino so sad? Son, maybe the rhino is sad because the poachery come and kill them. T-H-E-Y, they, T-A-K-E, take, T-H-E-I-R, there, H-O-R-N-S, horns, hay, W-A-Y, away. They take their horns away. M-U-N-U, Munu, I-S is V-A-R-Y, very, S-A-D, sad. Now I am going to read a lesson. Manu lives in a village near the Kaziranga forest. Very often he roams around the jungle riding on a buffalo. One day he finds a hollow piece of bamboo. He looks at it. It seems strong and sturdy. He picks it up. Manu comes back home. He hands over the bamboo piece to his father. Papa, please make a pipe out. Papa, please make a pipe out of it for me. Father makes a beautiful pipe for him. Manu learns to play the pipe. One day, while playing the pipe, he gets absorbed little, realizing that he has entered the jungle. He plays the pipe to the delight of birds and animals inside the jungle. As Manu plays the pipe, everything in the jungle begins to change. It gets filled with beautiful flowers. Manu is very happy. He then notices a rhino rolling in the mud. Manu goes on playing his pipe. The rhino stares at him with wet eyes, as if in pain. Manu comes back home. Papa, all the birds and animals in the jungle were happy to hear me play the pipe. But why was the rhino so sad? Son, maybe the poachery come and kill them. They take their horns away. Manu is very sad. Okay? You should also read like this lesson thoroughly, neatly, correctly one time. Reading one time, and this full lesson till year 2 year you should write one time. Reading one time and write neatly one time. Thank you. Success.